Hello everyone, my name is Harshvardhan Yadav. Today's date is 15 December 2021. Today's topic is variables and scope in Java. First of all, see what is variable in Java. In the programming world, there are lots of languages, so we need variable. Actually, variables are the basic requirement for any programming in any language. In a simple words, when we want to store any info, what we do, we store in computer and give it the specific address. That means instead of remembering the complex address and where we have stored in the information, we simply name that access so we can identify this address, and this naming of address is known as variable. Actually, variables is name that is given to the memory location. Definition: actually, variable is a container which holds value while Java programming execution. Actually, variable is a name given to the memory location. Actually, variable are assigned with data types. Data types is the programming language. Data types is a simple type of data which tells the compiler and interpreter about what type of data we want to store in the variable. From the definition, we can say that variable are the reserve areas and the memory is a combination is variable means values can be changed. Syntax: data types variables is equal to value semicolon. Then the types of variables in Java. There are three types of variables in Java: local variable, instance variable, static variable. Local variable are the variable which are the created inside the block. That means scope only limited within the block, within the method or within the constructor. That means they are only accessible where the definition and method with that means the define means inside the block method or the constructor. That means we try to access outside the method can be accessible outside the block. They are only accessible the local, and we cannot change their values outside the scope. Instance variable are the variables which are declared within the class but outside the method or outside the constructor. That means scope of instance variable within this class, so all the methods, all the constructor inside the class as access instance variable. uh, Data types we have already discussed about the data types. Actually, variables are assigned with data types. The data type specific data stored in the variable. Data types are int, declare int type variable; float, declare float type variable; char, declare character type; double, precision value; a boolean, which have two values. Variable name: v dot name is a name given to the variable that v dot name. Value: this is initial value stored in the variable. uh, naming convention in Java. Variable name is begins with letter, so we do not use any special symbol in variable declaration, but only underscore and the symbol allowed. We cannot use any keywords and reserved words as a variable. Most importantly, identifier are the case sensitive, come case later. Thank you.